got enough space? Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to make a thunderstorm with our newspapers. Okay. It's a game where you have to listen to what's happening and you have to be aware of what the person next to you is doing, because you need to do what they do in order for this to work properly. And if anybody doesn't take notice properly of what the person next to them is doing, then it doesn't really work properly. If you do it properly, then it is actually very good. Okay? So we're going to make a rain/hail/thunderstorm. Who'd like to be the starter person? Okay, so I'm going to stand in front of the net. It's going to go clockwise around the circle, that way. Okay? So you always have to be aware of what the person to your right is doing. Okay? So you need to be watching the person to your right. Don't watch what I do, don't do what I do, you only do what the person to your right does. So when they start doing something, then you do it too. Okay? We're going to make a rain/hailstorm. Please, God, let it work. If you want to, you can just look at your newspaper or keep your eye on the person next to you so that you're part of the sensory experience, so that you're listening to what's happening. Okay? Are you ready?